Did you know of the 8 million pets that enter animal shelters every year, approximately 3 million of these healthy and treatable pets are euthanized due to a lack of adoption? Adopting a pet is a life-changing and enriching experience. When adopting a pet, people are getting companions that give them unconditional love, affection, and attention. Adopting a pet from a shelter not only saves an animal's life, but it is also good for our own well-being, as research shows that owning a pet has many positive psychological and physical health benefits. The animals rescued from shelters know you've saved their lives, and they typically treat their rescuers with lifelong loyalty and affection. Isn't it time shelter dogs and cats had a voice? A way to let people know what wonderful pets they are and how much they'd like a forever home. Well, now they do, and it's a powerful one. I'd like you to be a part of this Save the Shelter Puppies project. Together, we can reach out to others and save the companions that bring so much love and support into our lives. First, let's establish our goals. Eliminate the stereotype that there is something wrong with shelter pets, and make adoption a first choice. Spread the word. Adoption, save a life. Adopt from your local animal shelter. Support the Humane Society by donating food, litter, beds, etc. Sell stuffed puppies and cool bracelets for $5 donations at school games and other events. Raise funds for our local animal shelter by hosting fun events like Yappy Hour and Meet and Sniff socials. This fun project not only will give you a half credit, but you will have fun learning, sharing, and serving your community, all while benefiting our local Humane Society of the Black Hills. So let's get started.